Hi everyone. I'm Pranab Kishore Praharaj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are going to discuss SEO, the search engine optimization. This video is a continuation of SEO Part 1. 1. On-page SEO. A website is a collection of multiple pages. Whatever content you write on those pages is read and understood by Google crawlers, and ultimately, Google indexes those pages. Now, if you want your website to rank in SERP based on the content you have written inside your website, then for that some internal factors of the website have to be optimized. These factors include title tag, meta description, keyword density, keyword placement, alt text, permalink, H2H3 headings, etc. A optimized title tag. There is a proper framework of content published on the website which includes title, introduction, subheadings, and conclusion. A title tag tells what is written in your content or what it is about. Therefore, it is important to optimize it, for which you can use your keyword and some powerful words in the title. B. Meta description. This is a small section of your content that tells what your content is about. Whenever you see the ranked result on Google SERP, you see both title and meta description together. C. Keywords. Keywords are those short and long-tail queries that people search on Google and expect a website to solve their query. Keywords are further divided into two parts, primary keywords and secondary keywords. Primary keywords include those keywords whose search volume is high, meaning more people are searching and competition is low. Similarly, those keywords are selected in secondary keywords which are relevant to primary keywords, but their search volume is not that high. D. Keyword density. Keyword density tells how many times a keyword can be used in a content of 1000 words. It is also given in percentage, %. If the keyword density of the keyword importance of website is 1%, then it means that you cannot use it more than 10 times in every 1000 words. E. Keyword placement. It tells how to place keywords in the content so that it becomes optimized for both Google and user. Remember never to forcefully use keywords anywhere. This hurts the user experience. F. Alt text. To make any content high quality, relevant images are used in it, which Google also reads. In such a case, it is necessary to write the alt text of the image in which the keyword must be mentioned. In such a case, whenever a user is searching for an image for a specific keyword or wants to find a solution to his query, he needs your image. If he sees it, he can click on it and land on your website. G. Permalink. Permalink is a complete URL of a page that is visible in the search bar. By sharing this permalink at different places, you can bring people to your page and generate organic tracks. It is important to optimize the permalink, for which it has to be kept short, unnecessary words have to be eliminated, keywords have to be used, etc. H2H3 subheadings. These subheadings help in making your content clear and understandable, which helps the user understand things properly and their experience is good. One should try to mention keywords in subheadings because according to Google this is a plus point that helps in ranking the website. All these internal factors together make the on-page SEO strategy successful and help in optimizing the website. 2. Off-page SEO. Internal factors optimization is needed to optimize the website for search engines and users, but if other people start recommending your website and it starts being discussed on different platforms of the internet, then Google feels that there is high-quality content on the website which is solving people's problems. The process used to externally optimize a website is called off-page SEO. With the help of an off-page SEO strategy, the credibility and authority of a website is increased, which sends positive signals to Google and it starts ranking higher in SERP. The most important thing in off-page SEO is link building, under which backlinks are taken from high authority and relevant websites, and other strategies like image submission, classified submission, social media bookmarking, guest posting, etc. are also used. By getting backlinks, link juice, track of those websites and platforms starts coming to your website as well, and in this way, your website also starts getting tracked and the site comes in the eyes of Google. Google thinks that there must be some high-quality information on your website that so many people are landing on, and this is being discussed everywhere. The thing to keep in mind while making or taking backlinks is that they should have a do-follow attribute. By do-follow I mean such backlinks that instruct search engine bots to pass link juice to your linked website and also divert some track to it. Another term that is heard repeatedly in off-page SEO is domain authority, DA. It is said that only high domain authority websites should be chosen for making backlinks. Domain authority is a score developed by a highly professional SEO firm Moz. The high DA of a website indicates that high-quality content is available on it which is relevant to the user queries and people's problems are being solved by it. By optimizing all these factors properly, the authority of your website starts increasing and its SERP ranking also starts improving. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us here on Pranab Digital Gurukul for more concept insights and latest content. Do not forget to visit our website www.pranabkishore.com for more valuable content. In our next video, we will discuss more about SEO in Part 3 series.